This letter, it changes everything. And trust me, this is only the beginning. From the moment you arrive, you're part of something bigger. You're a UB Bull, proud and true blue. You'll find connection everywhere. Because UB is a place where strangers become lifelong friends and campus feels like home. This is where theory meets practice and learning goes beyond lectures. You'll collaborate, innovate, and turn ideas into impact, working side by side with distinguished professors and researchers. As a part of our diverse, driven community, you'll learn as much about yourself as you do about the world. Whether you're presenting your latest research, performing on stage, or cheering in the crowd, there's no shortage of ways to show up and stand out. And you'll be prepared to take on whatever comes next. Every journey has a moment that sets it in motion. This letter is yours. You've imagined yourself here. Now, make it real. Choose UB.